Nutrient-dense foods have beneficial nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber that may have positive effects on health. Serve brunch with benefits with this delicious oatmeal waffle recipe that uses oat flour, coconut oil, almond milk, and fresh fruit toppings to pack in more nutrition than your typical breakfast. Heat a waffle iron according to manufacturer's directions. Whisk together the oat flour, coconut sugar, baking powder, and salt in a medium bowl. Whisk the almond milk and lemon juice together in another medium bowl and let stand for 5 to 10 minutes until it has the consistency of buttermilk. Whisk in the eggs and melted coconut oil. Add the wet ingredients to the dry and stir until combined. Rest the batter for 5 minutes. Ladle the waffle batter into the hot iron. Close and cook until the waffle is golden on both sides and is easily removed from the iron. Slice up your favorite fresh fruit while melting a bar of dark chocolate over low heat. Top oat waffles with melted dark chocolate and your favorite fresh fruit. Serving a breakfast tray in bed is optional.